Galing pa siyang Japan. Okay, her favorite color is pink. Her favorite fruit is strawberry. Okay, hi! Come on, kids. Join tayo sa ating parade with our special guest na si Lara Chan. Say hi! Okay, come on, kids. Ayan, napaka-happy naman ang mga kids natin dito sa ating Kids Yun, napaka-all. Okay, come on, kids. Okay, mag-proceed na tayo, kids, doon sa ating event area dahil papunta na po doon si Lara Chan. Okay, come on, kids. Hello! Ayan, meron ng mga nakaagaw ng kids dito. Good job talaga ang mga kids natin. Okay, sa lahat po ng gusto pa pong mag-join, pwede pa po tayong humabol. Okay, magkakaroon si Ate Ian at dancer guys. Dapat lahat ng kids nandito na po sa ating event area. Okay, mag-i-start na si Ate Ian mag-count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, ito na yung mga kids na kasali sa ating sports game ngayong araw. Okay, reminders lang po, mommies and daddies. Outside lang po tayo ng ating event area. Kids lang po ang nasa loob ng ating event area po. Thank you very much. Ayan, ito na yung mga kids. Hi! Okay, sabay-sabay na tayo mag-hello kay Lara Chan. Sabihin natin, hello Lara Chan! Okay. Ayan, and 3, 2, 1. Hello Lara Chan! Ayan, ang sasaya naman ng mga kids natin. So, magpapakilala natin natin. My name is Ate Ian. Siyempre ang aking mga partner na si Ate Chiki and si Ate Juana. And siyempre, our special guest for today na si Lara Chan! Hi! Good job naman! Lara Chan, ready ka na po bang mag-dance? Ayan, ready na po si Lara Chan mag-dance. So kayo kids, ready na po ba kayo mag-dance? At dahil dyan, meron tayong dance tutorial sa ating warm-up dance. Okay, Lara Chan, ano ang first step? March! Okay, very good. Next step, Lara Chan, shake your head and shake your shoulders. Good job. Okay, next step po, Lara Chan. Okay, shake your tummy and your bottom. Good job. Okay, next step. Magbibigaw tayo ng arms and legs. Okay, good job. And then shake your hands sa up and down. Okay, nag-gets na po ba, kids? Ayan, magsasaya tayo breathe. Yes, sir. Okay, first step, march. Good job. Okay, shake your tummy and bottom. Good job. Wiggle your arms and legs. Good job. Okay, shake your hands. Down, up, and down, and march. Okay, thumbs up top. Ready? Okay, shake your tummy and bottom. Good job. Wiggle. Shake your hands. Then march. And jump. Good job. Clap your hands everybody. Okay. Okay, hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Dalawang kamay. Hands up. Head. Head. Shoulders. Knees. And sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Good job. Okay, yung sports game natin ngayon ay sinatawag natin tag of war. Okay, sit down muna kids. Sit down muna tayo. Sit down tayo kids. Ayan. Hello kids! Hi! Nakikita niyo po ba ito? Ano po ito tawag dito? Rope. Good job. And then ano po ito? Red ribbon. And we have a white marker sa floor. And syempre meron tayong flag. Okay. Ang una natin gagawin is mag-groupings tayo. We have a team A and team B. So mag-ihila Ate Jujana. Naintindihan po ba, kids? Ayan. Sabi po ni Lala Chan, kailangan daw po nating maging safe. Ano po yung Lala Chan? No pushing, no running, and no hold the rope firmly at this point and enjoy our game. Okay, naintindihan po ba, kids? Ayan. Okay, everybody stand up. Good job. Ang magaling ng mga kids. Okay, move yourselves into 11, count, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excuse me. Ayan, tingin nga po, patingin nga po kung sino yung mga nakafollow. Arms forward na po, arms forward. Arms forward. Harap po tayo doon sa kabilang team, kids. Harap tayo doon sa kabilang team. Arms forward, kids. Paano yung Lala Chan? Arms forward. Okay, I see Lala Chan. Arms forward. Okay, harap tayo sa ating ka-team. Okay, hands up na po. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Dalawang kamay. Hands up. And shake your hands. Hands up. Hands up. Okay, reminders na po. Mommies and daddies outside lamang po tayo ng ating best area. Thank you very much po. Okay, partners, ibigay na natin ang ating mahiwagang room. Ayan. Okay, get ready. Okay, hulog lang natin yung red ribbon. Excuse me po. Ayan. Hulog lang natin yung red ribbon po. Okay, hands up po na, hands up. My kids, hands up. Ayan. Hands up po na, wala mo na pong ihila. Okay. Team A, Team B. Are you ready? Third round begins in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, tingnan natin kung sino ang mananalo sa last round. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands up! Hands up, hands up, hands up! Okay, so last round ang manalo is ang Team A! Good job! Okay, come on, come on, kids! Come on, come on! Okay, come here, come here. Okay, harapan tayo, Team A and Team B. Dito tayo, ate. Dito na. It's okay. Okay, harapan tayo, kids, harapan. Ayan. Okay, later pa meron tayong hug with Lala Chan. Okay, harap muna tayo dito. Hi, kids, hi! Okay, hands up na po tayo, hands up. Ate, dito tayo kay Ate Iya. Hello, hello. Hands up muna nga po tayo. Jump, 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 jump and stop. Okay, harapan tayo. Okay, Team B. Dahil winning team ang ating Team A, bibigyan natin sila ng 5 claps and we say, very good. Okay, ready? Let's 3, 2, 1, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay? At dahil nag-effort naman ang Team B, bibigyan natin sila ng 3 claps and we say, good job. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, good. Good job. Okay? Balik na tayo sa ating line kanina, yung nag-warm up dance tayo. Okay, titingnan po ni Lala Chan kung sino po yung nasunod sa instruction. Tingnan na natin. Okay, Lala Chan, tingnan mo sila kung sino ang behave at very good. Okay? Arm side ward. Arm side ward. Okay, may tatanong po si Ate Iya. Nag-enjoy po ba sa sports game? Arms down po, arms down. Arms down. Down na po, down. Down na po, down. Okay, sino po nag-enjoy sa sports game? Taas ang kamay. Ayan, lahat. Okay, dahil dyan, meron tayong last dance. Ang kanyang favorite dance na laban sa treasure. So, ituturo sa atin yung Lala Chan ang kanyang favorite dance. Okay, get ready, hands up. Hands up. Okay, and then down. Ready. Lala Chan, ready. Up. Up. Then march. Clap. Side. Side. Then march. Okay, one more. Up. Up. Then march. Clap. Side. Side. Okay, everybody shake your hands. Shake your hands. Good job. Okay, next. Wait. Okay, hold the shoulders. Then head. Let's jump. Then breathe. Okay. Make a big circle. Good job. Then fish. Then march. Ready. Let's jump. Okay, from kids to right. From kids to left. Then forward. This time, cross your arms. And then, turn around. Okay, good job. Ready, up. Cross, side, side. Then march. Okay, one more. Yay! Clap your hands, kids! Ang gagaling naman ng mga kids. Okay, nasimpan na tayo, kids. Yan, good job. Sit down. Okay, kids, may tatanong si Ate. Ano po meron sa harapan nyo? Okay, ito po yung surprise box ni Lala Chan. Okay, para mag-open ang ating box, kailangan natin mag-shout ng surprise! Okay, let's practice. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, dali, hindi narinig ni Lala Chan. So last one, kids. And 3, 2, 1. Ayan, dahil dyan meron tayong balloon! Surprise! Okay, sit down na tayo. Kids, sit down lang po, sabi ni Lala Chan. Sit down muna po, sit down. Okay, sit down muna tayo, sit down. Ayan, dahil pupunta si Lala Chan sa inyo po. Okay, hands up na po, isang kamay, taas ang kamay. Yan, bibigyan kayo ni Ate Chika at Ate Joanna ng balloons dahil very good kayo. Ayan, mas masaya ng mga kids. Okay, sino pa po wala? Taas ang kamay. Okay, wait up po natin sila Ate Joanna and Ate Chiki. I-stay lang po tayo sa pagkakao po. It's okay. Balloons. You want balloons? Okay, sit down tayo dito. Okay. Ayan, kids, itaas na po natin yung mga balloons. Patiin na po yung mga balloons. Ayan. Meron pa sa harapan, dalawa. Paano sa okay, hi kids! Patiin na po ng mga balloons. Itaas na po natin. Ataas natin. And then wave, wave, wave natin. Right and left. Ayan, kapag sinabi po ni Ate Ian at Kuzuna, ang isisigaw niya po is, hooray! Okay, sit down tayo kids. Sit down tayo. Okay, ano po i-shout natin? Okay, sit down tayo kids. Sit down. Okay, let's practice. In 3, 2, 1, Kuzuna! Ayan, mommies and daddies, get ready na po sa ating camera dito sa ating center para makakuha tayo ng magandang picture with our kids and our special guest na si Lala Chan. Okay, kids? Sit down tayo, kids. Sit down. Sit down tayo. Okay, last one. In 3, 2, 1. Kids na! Hooray! Yan. Okay, smile kayo, mommies and daddies. Okay, thank you very much for mommies and daddies sa pagkuha ng magandang picture. Kasama kami, syempre, ang ating mga kids. Okay, kids, sit down na tayo, kids, sit down. Hi, sit down na tayo dahil may gagawin pa tayo. Okay, sit down muna tayo. Sit down, kuya, sit down. Sit down, sabi ko ni Lala Chan, sit down po tayo. Ayan. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Kids, nag-enjoy kayo? Ayan, dahil nag-enjoy kayo, may sasabihin si Lala Chan sa atin. Ano po yun? Ayan! Maraming salamat daw po sa lahat ng nag-join. At thank you very much dahil napasaya namin kayo. Siyempre, masaya din si Lala Chan. Okay, ano pa yung Lala Chan? Ayan! Sino gustong mag-birthday dito sa Kizuna? Nasa balloons! At dahil nag-guess ang ating mga kids, mommies and daddies birthday package is always available here at Kizuna. For more details, just ask our service staff. Okay, kids, tayo nga po tayo, kids, tayo. Sabay-sabay tayo magpaalam kay Lala Chan. Since tayo po tayo sa'yo. Okay, sasabihin natin, bye Lala Chan! Okay, in 3, 2, 1, bye Lala Chan! Okay, thank you very much, kids. Moving back to our playing area, kids. Okay, mommies and daddies, get ready na po sa ating camera para makukuha ng picture one by one kay Lala Chan. Mag-proceed na lamang po tayo dito sa ating designated area. Thank you very much po.